Well, this is question from our textbook here. Exercise 2.1, page number 30, question number 6, creative section A. A retailer purchased an electric bicycle by Rs 35,000 and sold it a profit of 16% to a customer. How much did the customer pay for it with 10% VAT? A retailer purchased an electric bicycle for Rs 35,000, sold it at profit of 10% to a customer. How much did he pay with 13% VAT? At first, find selling price according to yesterday's information.
Yes, sir.
This is cost price. This is profit percent.
Profit percent.
And how is it? How to calculate selling price?
CP plus P% of CP.
Cost price is this one. Profit percent is this. VAT percent is 13%. We need to calculate SP with VAT. But before calculate SP, it is not possible. So first calculate value of selling price. Anyone please put your answer. It's Nasib. Please tell me answer of this solution first. SP value. Value of SP. Nishan? No, Nasib.
40,600.
40,600. Let's check. Yeah, 40,600 is correct answer for first one, selling price. In this way, calculate first selling price. Okay, and this is selling price without VAT. This is selling price SP without VAT. We need to calculate SP with VAT. We know that formula. SP with VAT formula. What is the formula to calculate SP with VAT?
SP plus SP into VAT percent.
SP plus P% of SP.
Oh yeah, anyone, both same. Okay, SP plus VAT percent of SP or SP plus SP into VAT percent, it is similar. Now we know that value of SP is 4,600, so use that value here. Furthermore, now it's turn to calculate final answer by who is next one? Okay, Tonka. Tell me please final answer of this solution. Mr. Tonka Prasad Khatiwada.
45,878.
Let's check. 45,800.
78.
Thank you very much. And this is final answer. Okay. So I'm going to give you one classwork. Anybody writing this solution?
Already, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Wait for a second. Yes, sir. Now you can.
After a few minutes, I'll give you one classwork.
Yes, sir.
Well,
Yes, sir.
at the place of here write down 10%. Look at here, question automatically change, and that is same. And here write down this is only this much. Okay, now consider your solution. We'll at first do. We'll at first complete this solution.
That's RS 4,000. Doesn't matter how much shortcut idea you are using, but answer at first. Tell me SP. Either use your calculator or without using calculator. Tell me first SP, selling price.
4,400.
Selling price is 4,400 is absolutely correct answer. And SP with VAT.
4,972.
4,972 is 100% correct answer. But this is quick practice, okay? But formal way is this one. Do not forget to write this formal way in your examination period or assignment, okay?
Yes, sir.
This is next question. Tell me SP with VAT first. Who can?
Was left for CP equal to RS 4,500. 3% equal to 24% ABRC. That equal to 3054. SP equal to
Who will answer at first?
$10,800, sir. 10,800.
10,800.
800. 63,054, sir.
55,800.
55,800. Congratulations. It's perfectly correct answer. Okay, now second.
Hey, yeah.
Sir, VAT amount, sir, 18,054.
7,254.
That amount is?
That amount, sir.
Yeah.
That amount.
Wait, sir, wait. 16,054.
7,254, sir. That amount.
7,254. Congratulations. Now
Yes,
that
sir,
percent.
7,254. That
That
percent.
percent. Quick.
7,000 divided by bad percent 13, sir.
14%. Well done. Finally, our solution complete over.
7254 into 00 over 55800.
That amount equal to
We have how many minutes?
13
How
points.
many
Sir, we
minutes?
have more than 10 minutes.
More than 10 minutes we have.
Yes, sir. I think.
Okay. Let's go again. Let's go again. We will answer at first. 10% here. Oh, why not this is connected?
CP 3,000.
that amount is 300.
That amount is 300. Let's check from. Congrats. Oh no. What's wrong?
Wrong?
Yeah. SP without that.
Oh, sir,
SP with
3,300.
that.
Oh, look at here. Cost price and look.
63,054, sir.
Oh, SP with SP with that 65,054 minus 3,300.
5 now. Yes, sir.
Oh my God, that amount is 61,754 according to that
Sir,
question.
59,754.
So 61,754. Now change.
59,754.
Change. Look at here. This is change.
10, sir.
Yeah.
6,054.
Without VAT.
SP with that is 6,054.
SP without VAT is 3,300.
3,300.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Then, sir, 6054 minus
2754 VAT amount, sir.
752.
That amount is 2,754.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
2754, then VAT percent. SP. Selling price
83%.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this question is especially for Rekha. Answer sequentially, one by one. I'm going to give you that. First is 5,500. The students also try and give me chat me privately. But not chat to her. Me only. And at this place, okay, this is question. Rekha, it's your turn, okay, Rekha?
Yes, sir.
Answer as much as people very. We have 4 minutes 45 seconds only. Hope you enjoy this day. Tomorrow we will practice likewise this way again. Today I'll give you assignment from here, and we will practice related to our assignment tomorrow again. Creative section 6, 7, 8, 9 is your assignment. You have quick answer, please. Quick. Others do solution. Formally do solution, please. Formally do solution and post there in social media, Facebook page. Formally do solution. Again, tell me please, again.
8,558.
8,558 is SP without VAT. 8,558. No. What's wrong? Try again, please.
858.
858.
858. Sir, 858.
858.
13% bad percent. 10%.
Well done.
13.
Okay. Thank you very much, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this day. And
Sir, homework 7, 8. That next?
yeah, your assignment is quiz number 30, quiz number 6, 7, 8, 9. Creative section A all.
Creative section A. Okay, sir. We will.
Okay, tomorrow we will practice likewise this way. Hope you answer very quick. Thank you very much.